Hello students, you are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel Education WAMH. In this video, I am going to discuss grade 11 mathematics third term test paper for the upcoming term test. I invite you to subscribe my channel and watch more videos. First question. A vehicle travels with a uniform speed of 75 kilometers per hour a certain distance in 1 hour 20 minutes. Find the time taken to travel the same distance with a uniform speed 80 kilometers per hour. First we have to find the distance gone by the vehicle. First, 1 hour, within 1 hour it goes 75 kilometers. Then in 20 minutes is equal to 1 over 3 of 1 hour. One third of 1 hour. So the distance should also be divided by 3, that is 25 kilometers. So the total distance is 100 kilometers. The distance traveled is 100 kilometers. Then we have to find the time taken by in the second instance. If the speed is 80 kilometers per hour, we can divide 100 kilometers by 80 kilometers per hour. Kilometers and kilometers we can cut off. Then 20 times 4, 20 times 5. 5 over 4. 5 over 4 hours. That is equal to 1 over 4 hours. Then 1 hour 15 minutes. That is the answer. Question number 2. We are given this to factorize 6 plus x minus 2x squared. First we'll take minus x out here. Then it is equal to minus times, then I can take this 2x squared here. Then minus x minus 6. Then here 2x squared, the coefficient is 2. Then the constant here is minus 6. Then the product of the coefficient and the constant is minus 12. So minus 12, we have to find the factors here. The addition should be equal to minus 1 and the product should be equal to minus 12. So minus 4 and plus 3. Then I can write like this, minus, then 2x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 6. Then minus times, then I can take 2x out here, 2x times x minus 2 plus 3 times x minus 2. Then x minus 2 is common here. Minus x minus 2 is a common factor. Then within brackets you get 2x plus 3. These are the two factors. Or you can take this minus sign to inside and then write 2 minus x. This one 2 minus x times 2x plus 3. Then question number 3. Select the correct statement out of the given and mark a tick in front of it. We are given a diagram here. I will write these statements ABC as ABC. Then the interior angles of the triangle are 80, 4x and x. We know that the interior angle sum of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. So I can write x plus 4x is 5x. 5x plus 80 is equal to 180. Then 5x equals 180 minus 80, that is 100 degree. Then x equals 100 divided by 5 is 20 degrees. X is 20 degrees. Then 4x equal to 4 multiplied by 20 is 80 degrees. In this triangle, two angles are equal. So this is an isosceles triangle. Then ABC is an acute angle triangle. That is correct. 80, 80 and the other one is also 20. So A correct. Then AB equal to AC. That is also correct. As two angles are 80 degrees and the opposite angles to these equal angles are opposite sides to side of these equal angles are equal. So second statement is also correct. Then third one, C, the angle bisect of B angle of the triangle ABC is goes through the midpoint of the side AC. According to the symmetry, as the other angles are equal, the angle bisect of extrude goes through AC. So third one also correct. Question number 4. PQR is a sector. Find the perimeter of the shaded part. We can find the arc length PR by using the formula 2 phi r into theta over 360 degrees. 2 into 22 over 7 into r is 7 here. Then the angle is 90 degrees. So this ratio is 1 over 4. So 7 and 7 can be cut off. Then 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 1, 2 times 11. Then the arc length equals 11 centimeters. Then to take the perimeter of the shaded part, we have to add length equal to the radius of the given circle. So we can find the total perimeter by adding 11 plus 7 plus 7. Then the distance is equal to 25 centimeters. Then question number 5. First one, LCM of 2m squared n and 6m. 2m squared n. We have to write this as a product of powers. 2 to the power 1, m to the power 2, then n to the power 1. Then 6m can be written as 2 to the power 1, 3 to the power 1 and m to the power 1. Then LCM. LCM is equal to the highest powers of distinct numbers here. 2 to the power 1, 3 to the power 1, then m to the power 2 and n to the power 1. Then that is equal to 6m squared n. Part 2, we are given this to simplify. 1 over x minus 2 over 3x. We can take 3x as the common denominator here. So the first fraction should be multiplied by 3. 3 times 1 is 3, then minus 2. Second one remains unchanged. Then the answer is 3 minus 2, 1, 1 over 3x. Question number 6. In the triangle ABC, AB equals AC. The point D is on the produced AB such that ACD is a right angle. So here ACD is a right angle. If ABC angle equals ABC means this one, 55 degrees, find the value of x and y. This is equal to 55 degrees. Then first we can find, as these sides are equal in length, this angle is also equal to 55. So we can find x first by using the interior angle sum of this triangle. Then I can write x plus 55 plus 55 is 110 equals 180. Then x equals 180 minus 110. 70 degrees. Now we can use this triangle. I can use the larger triangle now. This is 70 degrees, this is 90, and we can find y here. I can write y plus 70 plus 90 equals 180. Then y plus 160 equals 180. Then y equals 180 minus 160. 20 degrees. Question number 7. Write in index form. We are given this LG 50.5 equals 1.7033. Here LG means log base 10. 50.5 is equal to 1.7033. Here the index is this number 1.7033. Then base is 10. Then the number is this one. Then we can write in index form as the base 10. Then the index is 1.7033 is equal to this number 50.5. This is in index form. Question number 8. The figure shows a rectangular metal sheet which is used to make a cylinder of height 10 centimeters by welding it. Find the maximum value that can be taken for the radius of the cylinder. Uh, if the height of the sheet is cylinder is 10 centimeters, then the perimeter of the circular face should be equal to 88 centimeters. Then I can write 2 phi r equals 88. Then 2 into 27 over 7 into r equal to 88. Then 2 times 22 is 44. Then 44 times 1, then 44 times 2. Then r equals 7 multiplying by 2. 14 centimeters is the radius of the cylinder. Then question number 9. We are given this circle. I'll draw the circle first. This is the one given for us. Here A, then P, Q, R, S. Then these magnitudes are given 75 degrees, here 30 degrees. The figure shows two chords PQ and RS which intersect at A. If PSR equals 30 degrees and SAQ equals 75 degrees, find the value of SRQ angle. So if we take this angle as A, then I can write, if you take this triangle, this is the exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So I can write A plus 30 is equal to 75 degrees. Then A equals 75 minus 30 is 45. A equal to 45. Then these two angles, SRQ angle and this A angle are equal in magnitude, as these are angles in the same segment. These angles are in the same segment. So SRQ angle also equal to 45 degrees. Question number 10. We are given this to solve. 8x squared minus 2 equals 0. We can take a common factor out here. We can take 2 out. 2 times 4x squared minus 1 equals 0. Here 4x squared equal to 2 square of 2x, square of the term 2x. So we can use the difference of two squares here. I can write like this: 2 times 2x squared minus 1 squared equal to 0. Then 2 times 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 1 equals 0. Then 2x minus 1 equal to 0, or 2x plus 1 equals 0. Here if you take minus 1 into the other side, then x equals half, or then this one x equals minus half. Question number 11. A pawn shop charged 2% monthly interest when pouring gold. A lady pawned her gold for 70,000 rupees and redeemed by paying 75,600. Find the time period the lady pawned. The interest she got is 5,600. So we'll find the interest for 1 month for the given amount, 70,000 rupees. That can be found by 70,000 multiplying by 2 over 100. That is the interest percentage. Then the value is 1,400 rupees. And then we can find the number of months by dividing the total interest, that is 5,600. 5,600 dividing by 1,400. Then it becomes 4 months. The period is 4 months. Question number 12. ABCD is a parallelogram and CPDQ is a rhombus. If CPD angle equals 140 degrees and DAB equals 55 degrees, find the value of BCQ. Here this is Q. So how to find this? In a rhombus we know that all the sides are equal in length. So these four sides are equal in length. Then these two angles are equal in magnitude, as these two sides are equal. So if we take the sum is 180 degrees, then if 140 is subtracted, what is the sum of the other two angles? 40. The remaining is 40. 40 should be divided among these two angles. Then the two angles are 20 and the other one also 20. Then in rhombus, these two sides are parallel also. Then these two angles are equal in magnitude by taking alternate angles. This is 20 degrees. This magnitude is 20. As these two sides are equal, this magnitude is also 20 degrees. Now, by using the parallelogram, in the parallelogram, opposite angles are equal in magnitude. So, this angle is 55 degrees. As this one is 20, we can find the magnitude of BCQ. BCQ is equal to 55 minus 20. Then the magnitude is 35 degrees. Then question number 13. An unbiased dice marked 1 to 6 and a fair coin tossed together represent the sample space of the random experiment on the grid and encircle the event of getting tail on the coin and 5 on the dice. We can draw the sample space like this. This is for dice. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then here head and tail for coin. Then we can draw the sample space like this. Then the event of getting tail on the coin and 5 on the dice is this one. We can circle it like this. Question number 14. O is the center of the circle. If BCD equals 125 degrees, BCD is this one. The magnitude is 125. DAC. DAC means this magnitude, 35 degrees. Find the value of ADB angle. ADB. Here, as this is the center of the circle, this is the diameter. So, this magnitude is 90 degrees here. Then, we want this ADB angle here. ADB means this one. Um, then we can find like this. As this is a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of these two opposite angles equal to 180 degrees. This DAB angle, DAB angle equals 180 minus 125, as these two angles are supplemented. So this is equal to 55. This total angle is 55. So this angle, we can find the magnitude of this small angle here. That is equal to 20 degrees. As this is 35. This is equal to 20 degrees. This angle and this one, this small angle are angles in the same segment. So this is equal to 20 degrees. So if the total angle is 90 degrees, then if this is 20, and then we can find the magnitude of this ADB angle easily. ADB. ADB angle equals 90 minus 20 degrees. 70 degrees is the magnitude. Then question number 15. Question number 15, we are given this. A person invests 345,000 rupees to buy shares of price 25 rupees in a certain company. If the annual dividend income received was 96,600, find the dividend income per share. First, we have to find the number of shares. How to find the number of shares? 345,000 rupees divided by 25. Then the number of shares becomes 13,800. Then we can divide the dividend by the number of shares now. 96,600 divided by 13,800. Then the dividend income per share becomes 7 rupees. Question number 16. We are given the diagram of this prism. First part. Find the volume of the prism. Volume of the prism can be found by uh, finding the area of the cross section. Area of the cross section multiplied by the length. Here the area of the cross section can be found by half into then 6 into 6. Then the length is 10 centimeters. 2 times 1, 2 times 3. Then the answer is mm, 180 cubic centimeters. Second part, draw a sketch of a face with its measurements. We'll take the cross section, that is the shape of a triangle. Here we have to find the hypotenuse of this triangle. This is 90 degrees. So if you take this one as x, then we can use the Pythagorean relationship. X squared equals 6 squared plus 6 squared. 6 squared is 36. Then 36. Then x squared equal to 72. 72 by adding 36 and 36. Then x equal to square root of 72. 72 can be written as 36 multiplied by 2. Then the square root of 36 is 6. Then we can write it as a third. 6 square root of 2 centimeters. Now we can given this length here. Here x equals 6 square root of 2 in centimeters. Then question number 17. We are given this triangle. These two sides are equal. These two are also equal. Then A, B, C. This is PQ. Then the magnitudes are given. This is 15 degrees. This one 85 degrees. Now we have to find the value of AXP angle. How to find the value of AXP? Here we can use the midpoint theorem here. As these two parts are equal, this side should be parallel to PQ should be parallel to the side BC. So this length, the magnitude of this angle is also equal to 85 degrees by using corresponding angles. This magnitude is also 85 degrees as these two are parallel. Now we can, here this is x here. We want AXP. We can find this magnitude AXQ by using the sum of the interior angles. AXQ equal to 180 minus the addition of 85 and 15 is 100. Then AXQ equal to 80 degrees. Then AXP equal to, these two are also supplementary angles. Then 180 minus 80, that is equal to 100 degree. Question number 18. We are given two matrices. Find the product of the two matrices. These are the matrices given. 2, 3, then half, again 2. This one with 4, 1 matrix, column matrix. Then we have to multiply this one, this row with this column. Then 2 multiplied by 4. We have to multiply each element, corresponding elements. Plus 3 multiplied by 1. Then this row with this column. Half multiplied by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 1. Then this is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Then here 3. Then 8 plus 3, 11. 11. Then here 2 times 1, 2 times 2. Here answer is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is the matrix you get here. Then question number 19. You are given this diagram. I'll draw it. The length of the chord AB is 32 centimeters of the circle with diameter 40 centimeters. If the midpoint of the chord is AB, chord AB is P, here this is the midpoint. So these two parts are of length 16 and this is also 16. Then find the length of PQ. This is PQ. We know that OQ is the radius here, then OA is also a radius. So if we join A and O here, this is a right angle, then this length is 40 centimeters. Then we can find the length of OP here. We can write OP squared plus here 16. 16 squared equals here diameter is 40. So the radius will be 20. This is 20, not 40. Then 20 squared. Then OP squared equals 400 minus 16 into 16 is 256. Then the balance is 144 here. OP squared equals 144. Then OP is square root of 144, that is 12 centimeters. Then OQ, the total length is 20. Then if OP is 12 centimeters, we can find PQ here. PQ equals 20 minus 12. Then 8 centimeters is the answer. Question number 20. Find the seventh term of a geometric progression if the first term 1 over 8 and the common ratio is 2. We know that nth term of a geometric progression can be found by Tn equals AR n minus 1. So if we substitute the given values here, we want the seventh term. T7 equals value of A is 1 over 8 into R is 2 here. 2 to the power 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. So 1 over 8 multiplied by the value of 2 to the power 6. If you expand this, you get 64. 64 multiplied by 1 over 8. 64 divided by 8. That is equal to 8. So 7th term is 8. Question number 21. Find the equation of the straight line which passes through the points half, comma 5 and 0, comma 3. First we have to find the m value here. Gradient. We can find it by dividing the y coordinate difference by the x coordinate difference. I will take 5 minus 3. Then over half minus 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. Here half. So if you simplify this, 2 multiplying by 2, that is 4. So gradient is equal to 4. Now we can find C by substituting the coordinate of any point into the equation y equals mx plus c. I will take the point 0, 3 here. The y coordinate value is 3. Then the m value is 4. X coordinate is 0 plus c. Then you get 0 here. Then c equals 3. Then the equation can be written as y equals m is 4 times x plus 3. This is the equation. Question number 22, first part. Shade the region which represent the elements belong to only B. This is the Venn diagram given for us. A and B subsets are represented here. This is the universal set. So the elements belonging only to B can be shaded as the region belongs to A, like this. Belongs to B, he is here. Then second part, write the region 1 above in set notation. We can write it by A dash intersection B. Question number 23. The radius of the circle with center O is 7 centimeters. Show the construction as a rough sketch to identify the location of a point which is 7 centimeters away from the point O. That means this circle and equidistant from PO and QO. Equidistant from PO and QO. These two lines, straight lines are intersected at O. So to take the uh, point locus of the points equidistant from these two straight lines, we have to take the angle bisector between these two straight lines. So this is the angle here. Then we have to bisect that. We have to draw two arcs like this, and then this intersection point and this O point should be joined like this. So this is the point we want. This is the point. The intersection point of the two loci. So this is the point R. Question number 24. There are 12 boys and 13 girls in a class. The mean weight of boys is 48 kilograms and the mean weight of girls is 45 kilograms. Find the mean weight of the class students. We can find the total weight of boys by 48 multiplied by 12 plus then the total weight of the girls by 45 multiplied by 13. Then this is the total weight of the students in the class. Then how many total students are there? 25. 12 plus 13. Then if you simplify this one, you get 1161. Divide by 25. Then the mean weight of the class students will be 46.44 kilograms. Then question number 25. We are given this to simplify. 3y over 5x divide by 9 times x plus 1 over 10xy. 3y over 5x. Then we can convert this division into a multiplication by taking the reciprocal of the second fraction. That means we have to interchange the numerator and the denominator. So 10xy comes here. 10xy over 9 times x plus 1. Now we can simplify the common factors. Uh, x and x you can remove. Then 5 times 1, 5 times 2. Then 3 times 1, 3 times 3. That's all. Now we have to multiply the two denominators and two numerators separately. Y times 2y. That means 2y squared. 2y squared over, then here 1 is remaining, then 3. 3 times x plus 1. This is the answer.